Today we're talking about silent letters. From knife to night to even talk. There are many words with silent letters that confuse learners. Here I will give you some examples on how to pronounce them correctly. And not only that, we'll find out where they came from and why we even still write them. These letters are like ghosts. They're there on the page, but never spoken. The word ghost also contains a silent letter. It has a silent H. Knowing the history will actually help you remember them. So let's jump in. The first one, the silent K. K is silent when it comes before N at the start of a word. Why? It comes from Old English. It has Germanic roots. We'll talk about roots towards the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. People used to pronounce the K, but it was tricky to say, so it was dropped over time. So we have knee, knife.
That's not a knife.
Oh, memory trick. K is a ninja. Quiet, but always there. Silent B. B is silent when it comes after M at the end of a word. Why? From Old English, Germanic languages. We once pronounced the B, but it slowed down speech, so it was dropped. Some examples are lamb, climb, thumb. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Little memory trick. B takes a nap after M. Silent W. The rule. W is silent when it comes before R. Why? Well, this one, it has Germanic roots. We used to say the W, and English speakers dropped it because R was strong enough on its own. You know these ones, they're very common. Right, wrong, wrist. Memory trick. W waits in silence. R does the talking. Silent GH. GH is silent after a vowel. Why? This one's also from Old English, where it was more of a throaty sound, like in the Scottish word loch. I'm Scottish, I can't pronounce that word correctly. Over time, we softened it until it disappeared. Some examples: light, though, and night. Memory trick. GH are like ghost letters, invisible now, but they used to growl. Silent L. The rule. L is silent after A, O, or U. Why? Many of these come from Latin or Old English. Over time, speakers found it easier to drop the tongue movement for the L. For examples, calm, half, talk. Memory trick. L is lazy. No tongue movement needed. Stop thinking like that. Silent I. The rule. The I is silent in some words with unstressed syllables. What's a syllable? We talked about this before. Word sound. 2 syllables. Happy. Beautiful. 3 syllables. Hot. Cold. Warm. No, warm is not 2. Warm is also 1. Word sounds. Syllables. So why? Many of these words come from French or Latin. When English borrowed them, probably more like stole them, we kept the spelling but shortened the pronunciation. Now, I've left this one to last because Thai learners make these mistakes all the time. It's not sociable, it's sociable. We don't say the I. It's not juice. We don't say the I. It's juice. It's not business. We drop the I. It's business. Sociable, juice, business. Memory trick. I is invisible in fast words. Let's look at a bit of history. Let's look at this in a little bit more detail for 1 minute. So why do silent letters exist at all? Here's a quick history lesson. This is actually quite cool. So there are 4 different reasons. They come from Old English, before 1066, the Battle of Hastings. So English used to pronounce almost every letter, even K and GH. So night sounded more like knight, with a throat sound at the end. The Norman Conquest. also 1066. The French took over England. Those French people! And thousands of French words entered English. We kept their spellings, but often changed their pronunciation. For example, debt, D-E-B-T, came from the French word dette, D-E-T-T-E. Later we added a B to show it came from Latin. But we still don't say it. Welcome to English. So if, like me, you studied English language at university, number 3 won't be a surprise. The Great Vowel Shift, 1400 to 1600. English pronunciation changed massively. Vowels moved, and hard words or hard sounds like GH disappeared. But printing presses had already made spellings more fixed, so we kept writing them. The last one, modern English. Today, silent letters are clues to a word's history. They might look strange, but they help you guess meaning, spelling, and sometimes even pronunciation. So a final tip. Think of silent letters as little time machines. They remind you of where the words came from. If you learn the history, you'll find them much easier to remember. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Which silent letter do you always forget? For me, in my experience of teaching Thai learners, it's always sociable, juice, juice. Causes confusion all the time. But teacher, why do we not say the I? Welcome to English class. There are many things that we do, there are many things that we don't do, and we have exceptions for each, and then we have exceptions to exceptions. We have talked about this many times before. Now in the pinned comment, I have attached a PDF of the most common words that have silent letters in them. So it's free, just download it, click on it, keep it, learn them. So which silent letter do you always forget? Is it the I? Which one is it? Let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. And if there's any words that you missed or you think I missed, please let me know. I'll make a video on it. Or if there's any other videos you want me to make, please let me know. I am happy to oblige. So thanks guys, thanks for watching to the end. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you later.